she had a sis, maybe could knock a baby hood back. Y'all remember way back then, when it was 1985, all the way live. I think I was about 10. One of those happy little hippies singing the blues that be always trying to bag with the shag and garage.
Having problems with their record sales, just holler till. If that don't work and all else fails, then turn around and follow till. I got love for the game, but hey, I'm not in love with all of it. Could do without the fame. The rappers nowadays are comedy. The hooting and the hollering, back and forth with the arguing. Where you from? Who you know? What you making? What kind of car you in? Seems as though you lost sight of what's important when depositing the checks into your bank account and you know about a profit. Values is a disarray, prioritizing horribly. Unhappy with the bitches cause you piss poor morally. Ignoring all prior advice and forewarning, and we mighty full of ourselves all of a sudden.
Yeah, we getting crossed.
Either way you meet me, guarantee